Modern lifestyles demand modern utility. The 2014 GMC Terrain is big thinking design, comfort, and capability. The standard multi-flex sliding rear seat offers nearly 8 inches of travel and delivers class-leading rear legroom. The 60/40 split rear seat back can be partially folded to accommodate a mix of cargo and passengers, or folded down completely to create almost 64 cubic feet of total cargo space. Oh, and did we mention the plethora of technologies available as well? Every Terrain comes equipped with a rear vision camera, USB connectivity, and 6 months OnStar directions and connections with turn-by-turn navigation, helping to keep you firmly in control. The StabiliTrak stability control system and full-function traction control are both standard. Terrain's intelligent all-wheel drive system delivers power to the front wheels during normal driving, channeling it to the rear wheels, as well as in conditions such as rain-slick pavement, snow, or mud. It works seamlessly and automatically. GMC Terrain. More ideas per square inch, because more is what we do.